How you doing, everybody? This is Jehoiadak Maccabeus Everyday Survival. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing real good, recovering good from the cancer and getting my mobility back better and better every day. I can go up and down my stairs here in the building without like holding on to stuff for the most part. And my stairs are quite a tricky adventure, if I do say so myself. I haven't used my elevator. Well, I used it once the other day because I had to take some stuff up. I wasn't going to pack up there, some boxes of stuff. But I've used my elevator once in like the last 3 weeks. So I'm forcing myself to, do things that'll actually benefit my body in the recovery to build myself back, build back better. You know what I mean? But I'm going to do a knife show off today. This is the Martindale World War II Machete. It's made in Sheffield, England. This is the Martindale number 777. I don't remember if it's the alligator or the crocodile. I don't have my glasses. But there's a short clip that I'll add into this showing the authentication of it, of another one that I found online. You can find Martindale machetes on eBay, and they vary in price from like $40 on up. Some of the bigger ones that still have the original sheath, $150, $170. Pretty nice machetes, pretty durable. I have used this a lot over the last 20 years. I've had it probably about 20 years, and it's my favorite machete. But I'm all for using vintage stuff. A lot of people like to shop at Temu and places like that. More power to you. I'll buy local. Recovery begins at home, and if I can't find it in my local markets here at home, I'll at least buy it from an American business or an American seller. Let's support each other, and that's the kind of things that keep this country going. That's all I got. Next video will be up. It'll be another knife. Y'all stay safe. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Have a good day.